Using filters, you can apply special effects to movie clip instances, button instances, and text fields. So on the stage here, I have 3 instances of the same symbol. You can see in the Properties panel that I've selected an instance of Flower button. So let's take a look at this drop shadow for the first button. The drop shadow filter and all other filters are applied using the Filters section of the Properties panel. So first, you select the compatible object, again, button, movie clip, or text field, then go to the Filters section in the Properties panel, and then click the Add Filter button. That's the paper icon. That's the same artwork as the new layer icon. So when you click that, you can select a filter type and then apply it. Since I've already applied a filter, I'm not going to apply any more. However, just because I've applied one filter doesn't mean I can't apply more. If you want to apply more filters, you can always keep adding them on. This object has a drop shadow applied. Notice it has a whole bunch of settings like blur X, blur Y, strength, quality, angle, distance, etc. Once I've added a filter, I can control the appearance of the filter by modifying these settings. So I can change the angle of my drop shadow. I can change the distance from the original object, and anything else in this menu. If you've created settings for a filter that you'd like to reuse, you can save those as a preset by clicking the Presets button. When you click the Presets button, which is immediately to the right of the New Filter button, you can click Save As to save the filter. You can then add a preset name, like My Drop Shadow, and then reapply it to any other object by clicking the Presets button. The bevel filter is applied in the same way. Click the New Filter button, choose Bevel, and then adjust the settings here. One of the other filters is the Adjust Color filter. Notice that it's different from the Tint color effect. If I were to apply a green tint to this shape, the whole shape would be green. You can see that here. I'll apply the color effect of a green tint in the Properties panel. So the whole shape is green. But using the Adjust Color filter, I'm not modifying any of the white artwork. So I get a more natural look with the Adjust Color filter than I do with a tint. So to recap, filters are special effects you can apply to movie clip instances, button instances, and text fields, and you can add them in the Properties panel.